Ever wonder why understanding the components of a computer matters? Well, imagine trying to fix a car without knowing what the engine does or how the brakes work. The same principle applies to computers. A computer, at its core, is a complex machine made up of several integral parts. Each component has a unique role, and together, they make the magic happen. So buckle up as we embark on a journey through the inner workings of a computer. First up, the Central Processing Unit, or the CPU. Often referred to as the brain of the computer, the CPU carries out most of the processing inside computers. From basic arithmetic to complex computations, the CPU handles it all. It's the orchestrator, coordinating the work of all other hardware components in the system. Next, we have the motherboard. Think of it as the central hub that connects all other components. From the CPU to the memory, and even the connectors for input and output devices, everything runs through the motherboard. It's like the main highway system of a busy city, directing traffic and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Now, onto the random access memory, or RAM. This is your computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores data that the CPU uses for tasks. The more RAM a computer has, the more tasks it can handle at once. It's like a juggler. The more balls in the air, the more impressive the performance. Storage comes next, and there are two types: hard disk drive, HDD, and solid-state drive, SSD. These are the computer's long-term memory, storing everything from your operating system to your favorite games. HDDs are older and slower but offer more storage for less money. SSDs, on the other hand, are faster and more reliable but come at a higher cost. It's like choosing between a large, old mansion with lots of storage space, but requires constant maintenance, and a modern, efficient apartment that's easier to manage but has less space. Next in line is the power supply unit. This is the heart of your computer, pumping electricity to all the components. It converts power from your outlet into usable form for the other parts of the computer. Without it, nothing else works. It's like the heart in your body, pumping blood to keep you alive. Last but not least, we have the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. This is the component that renders images, animations, and videos for your computer screen. For gamers and graphic designers, a powerful GPU is a must. It's like the artist of the computer, painting pixels on your screen. So, to wrap it all up, understanding the components of a computer helps you appreciate the complex symphony of technology that makes our daily digital interactions possible. The CPU is the brain, processing all tasks. The motherboard connects all components, ensuring they work in harmony. RAM acts as the juggler, handling multiple tasks at once. The storage is the long-term memory, storing all your data. The power supply unit is the heart, pumping life into the machine. And the GPU is the artist, creating the visuals you see on screen. Each component plays a critical role in the overall performance and functionality of a computer. Just like a well-oiled machine, every part matters in the grand scheme of things. So the next time you use a computer, remember the intricate dance of technology happening inside that sleek casing.